like labiodental when we join our lip and our teeth. There are the sound, these sounds are known as labiodental, and the other sound known as dental, and the other sound known as velar. Many other sounds, like when we touches our when the tip of our tongue touches our velar, our hard palate or soft palate, then we are able to pronounce a sound. So yes, we will gonna discuss it in a detail. So this is basically the place of articulation, where the different organs of our mouth coordinate, join, and involve with each other and produce sounds. Then we are able to make sounds. So this is basically the place of articulation. So manner of articulation. What is manner of articulation? We can say that the sound which we produce after joining these organs, when these organs coordinate with each others, then the sound produced, like there are the separate, means some of the alphabets, some of the sounds have this have similar category, some sounds have the same category, the other sounds have the other category, means some sound known as plosive sounds, some sound known as fricative, some sound known as affricates, and some sound known as nasal sounds. The sounds which we produce from our nose are known as nasal sounds. The sounds which we produce with the friction are known as fricatives, like zzz. These sounds are known as fricatives because when we produce these sounds, so we are able to feel, we can feel a friction in our we can say glottis. So these sounds are basically known as fricative sounds. And the plosive sounds, the sounds which we produce with a burst of air. First we fill up our mouth with the air, then we suddenly burst it with the plosion. Then these sounds are known as plosive sound, like the sound b, b. You can notice that first we fill up our mouth with the air, then we suddenly burst it. So these sounds are known as plosive sounds. Fricative sounds are known as fricative because because we feel friction in our mouth, then that's why these sounds are known as fricatives. And the other sound is affricates and nasal and many other sounds. We will gonna discuss these sounds in a detail, inshallah. So I think this is enough for today. What we learned today: first we have learned articulation. What is articulation? Which of the organs involved in articulation, how we produce sounds, how we articulate them, how we make sounds. So these are all the things which we have learned in articulation. Then we have we just got a brief introduction on a place and a manner of articulation.